Chapter 10: The Tiger and the Dried Persimmon. Before we read, a big and ferocious tiger entered into a house in search of food, but it proved out to be a bitter experience for him. Let's read the story and learn what happened. Once upon a time, there was a small village in Korea, surrounded by mountains from all sides. A little boy lived in that village with his grandmother. They were poor and lived in a small house at the end of the village. One evening, there was nothing to eat at home. The boy was very hungry and he was crying for food. His grandmother was trying to pacify him in many ways, but in vain. Now a ferocious tiger lived in the forest near the mountains. Sometimes he climbed to the top of the mountains and roared. It made the villagers so scared that they never went out of their houses after dark. That day the tiger was also hungry. It had not eaten anything for many days. Wandering here and there in search of food, he reached the village. When he heard the little boy crying, he quietly slipped into the house and hid behind a thick bush outside the window. Just then, he heard the grandmother speak. She was telling to the little boy, "Hush, stop crying. The tiger is sitting near the window. He will hear and come to get you." The tiger was much surprised. He thought that he had crept into the house so stealthily. Then how did the grandmother come to know that he was there? However, he remained there behind the bush, waiting for the chance to pounce upon the boy. But the little boy did not pay any heed to the grandmother. He continued to wail loudly. The grandmother said again, "Stop crying, little one. See, there is a dried persimmon." At once the child stopped crying. The tiger was so astonished that he began to think, when the old woman tried to scare the boy by saying that a tiger would get him, he paid no heed. But a dried persimmon stopped the crying at once. Therefore, the dried persimmon must be more powerful and ferocious than me. And he started guessing what it could be. He thought for a long time and then said to himself, "I should better leave this place before this dreadful thing catches me." Thinking so, he turned around to slip away quietly from there. Suddenly, something heavy fell on his back with a thud. Actually, a thief had broken into the house. He had been thinking of stealing a cow. It was dark everywhere, and the thief could not see very well. In the dim light, he just saw the shape of an animal. He thought it to be a cow, and very smartly and firmly grabbed the tail of the tiger. The tiger was already worried about the dried persimmon. When the thief caught hold of his tail, he was sure that it must be the persimmon, the fierce creature that had caught hold on his tail. The tiger was so frightened that he jumped over the fence and started running towards the forest, trying to get rid of the persimmon. The thief too was terrified when he saw that he had somehow caught hold of a tiger's tail and not of a cow. He was too scared to let it go, as he thought that the tiger would turn around and eat him up. He held on in terror as the tiger streaked across the countryside. Finally, he could hang on no longer and fell by the wayside. Still, the tiger did not stop running. He ran till he was very, very far away from the village and was sure that the fierce Persimmon could no longer grab him by the tail. Glossary: surrounded, bounded, enclosed, pacify, calm, in vain, useless, ferocious, fierce, brutal, quietly, silently, crept, sneaked, stealthily, cautiously, pounce, jump, wail, cry, persimmon, a tropical fruit like tomato, astonished, surprised, dreadful, terrible, awful, thud, thump, dull sound, dim, weak, faint, grabbed, grasped, caught, fence, barrier, streaked, ran,